the amphibia. The heart of the amphibians, it is 3-chambered, 2 auricle and a single ventricle is present. 2 additional tubes, sometime considered as chambers, are the truncus arteriosus and sinus venosus. These are the 2 views of the heart, dorsal view and ventral view. Right auricle, left auricle, a single ventricle, and on the dorsal side truncus arteriosus is present. The ventral view, right auricle, left auricle, a single ventricle, and having the sinus venosus. These are the precaval veins and the postcaval veins. The circulatory system is not very perfect. Mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood takes place in the ventricle. This is the circulatory system. Right side, left side, 2 auricles and a single ventricle. In the left auricle, the blood enters by means of pulmonary vein, and in the right auricle, the blood enters by means of the sinus venosus. The 2 auricle contract at the time. The blood from the auricles enters inside the ventricle, and when the ventricle contracts, the blood from the ventricle moves into the truncus arteriosus. The deoxygenated blood from the truncus arteriosus will enters into the pulmocutaneous vessels. Pulmo word is for the lungs, cutaneous word is for the skin, for the purpose of oxygenation. And the oxygenated blood will enters into the systemic vessels and the carotid vessels. From the systemic vessels, the oxygenated blood will enter into the body and limbs. From the carotid vessels, the oxygenated blood will enters into the head. The deoxygenated blood will goes either to the lungs or the skin for the purpose of oxygenation. After the oxygenation, the blood will enter by means of pulmonary vein to the left auricle. From the body, limbs and the head, the deoxygenated blood will moves by means of precaval and postcaval vein. Precaval that collect the deoxygenated blood from upper parts of the body, postcaval that collects the deoxygenated blood from the lower parts of the body. From these 2 vessels, the deoxygenated blood will enters into the sinus venosus, and from the sinus venosus, the deoxygenated blood will enter into the right auricle. So this is the complete circulatory system in the amphibians. Hibernation, also known as winter sleep. In this process, they dig deep in the mud and survive by getting energy from fat body deposits that are present around their kidneys. Examples are frog, toad and salamander.